How to keto diet for beginners. What is keto? A keto diet is low carb, high fat, effective for weight loss, and beneficial for conditions like type 2 diabetes. It involves cutting back on carbs to induce ketosis, a metabolic state where the body burns fat for fuel. The diet lowers insulin levels, aids in weight loss without calorie counting, and may reduce blood sugar levels. Foods to eat on keto: base meals on meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and protein-rich foods. Include leafy greens, non-starchy veggies, salads, and use fats like olive oil for flavor. Drink water, tea, or coffee without sweeteners. Limit carb intake to stay in ketosis. Foods to avoid on keto: bread, pasta, rice, cereal, baked goods, sugar, most fruits, and highly processed foods. Focus on keto-friendly options, avoiding or limiting high-carb foods. Keto macros: limit carbs to 20 g or fewer per day, moderate protein to meet needs, and ensure about 60 to 75% of calories come from fat. Keto results and benefits: keto may lead to weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and enhanced metabolic health. It can benefit conditions like type 2 diabetes, type 1 diabetes, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Potential benefits for PCOS, IBS, acne, epilepsy, mental health, physical endurance, and migraines. Potential risks of keto: adequately nourished keto diets are unlikely to cause harm, but some may experience side effects like kidney stones or nutrient deficiencies. Monitoring lipid markers is crucial, especially for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. How to get into ketosis: eat less than 20 g of net carbs per day, avoid unnecessary eating, and measure ketones in blood, breath, or urine to confirm ketosis. Common mistakes on keto: avoid excessive fat consumption for weight loss. Control portion sizes of nuts and dairy. Don't fear protein, it typically has little effect on blood sugar. Higher ketone levels don't necessarily lead to better weight loss. Intermittent fasting keto: combining keto with intermittent fasting can accelerate weight loss or help with type 2 diabetes. Adjust meal frequency based on reduced appetite when on keto. The keto flu and side effects. Initial symptoms, known as the keto flu, include fatigue, headache, and dizziness. Temporary symptoms can be alleviated by replenishing fluids and salt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.